What if I told you that your life could change completely in just 7 days? Not 7 years. Not even 7 months. Just 7 days. Sounds unbelievable, right? But here's the truth, it's possible. Day 1, decision. Change begins with a decision. The moment you decide, I deserve better, everything shifts. Write it down. Say it out loud. You're not waiting for the perfect moment because that moment is now. Day 2, vision. You can't hit a target you can't see. So ask yourself, where do you want to be? Picture it vividly. Write down your goals. Whether it's fitness, career, relationships, or personal growth, clarity is your superpower. Day 3, action. Here's the catch, dreams don't work unless you do. Action kills doubt. It doesn't have to be big. Small, consistent steps build momentum. Wake up early. Go for that jog. Send that email. One step leads to another. Day 4, discipline. Let's be real, the excitement wears off. Day 4 is when the excuses start creeping in. I'm tired, or I'll do it tomorrow. But winners don't listen to their feelings, they listen to their purpose. Stay consistent. Day 5, growth. By now you'll feel a shift. It's not just about the results, it's about who you're becoming. Growth is addictive. You're stronger, sharper, more focused. You're unlocking a version of yourself you didn't even know existed. Day 6, gratitude. This day is powerful. Pause and look back. Celebrate the small wins. Gratitude doesn't just attract more good things, it anchors you. It reminds you how far you've come and keeps you moving forward. Day 7, momentum. This is where the magic happens. What started as a single week is now a lifestyle. You've proven to yourself that change isn't just possible, it's inevitable when you commit. 7 days. That's all it takes to start rewriting your story. And guess what? You don't need to be perfect. You just need to show up. The next 7 days are going to pass whether you try or not. The question is, will you make them count? Because the life you've always wanted is just 7 days away. You've got this. Let's go.